To be better at drawing faces, first we need to understand the proportions of the face. Mark off the top of the hairline and the bottom of the nose, find half of this distance, and that's where the eyebrows are. Transfer half of this measurement to the side of your line and connect it with a curve to make as perfect of a circle as you can. Then take the distance between the hairline and the eyebrows, bring it down, and that's going to be where the chin is. Next, you're going to mark off the outer corner of the eyes by drawing a triangle that connects the outside of the circle to the base of the circle. Everything is really broken up into thirds. So the next section, I'm going to use a blue color pencil. I'm breaking it up into thirds. For the next section, I'm using a green color pencil and breaking it up into thirds. Take a look at the reference image underneath and these 1/3 markings that I made in blue and green. Can you see how that they are lining up with certain facial features? This will be really helpful for later. The next measurement I'll need is half of the forehead. You can do this by folding your tracing paper or eyeballing it with your pencil. So half of the forehead is right here, and this is going to be the width of your eyes. I'm using this measurement in orange pencil and transferring it to my blue line where the eyes are supposed to go. Another thing that you can do to check your work is you should be able to fit 3 equal distant eyes inside of that triangle. I'm drawing a line straight up, and if you can see the reference image underneath, the outer corner of the eye is where the eyebrow starts to bend, or when it starts to go downwards again. Then I'm going to find the middle point of this line where the eyes go, draw 2 circles for my eyeballs, and then start to put in the eyelids. Don't forget to do the bottom lids as well. For the nose, I'm noticing that the nostrils are wider than the inner corner of the eyes, and then the angle of the nostrils, the part that you breathe through, that's going to be the same angle as the triangle that you drew for the eyes. For the lips, I'm going to do this in green. The top third is the part between the top lip and the bottom lip, and the bottom third is going to be where the chin juts out. We still need to figure out the measurement for the bottom lip, so you take that half measurement of the forehead, measure it from the bottom of the chin up, and that's going to be where the bottom lip is. Drawing faces is all about making relationships. So I'm noticing that the outer corner of the mouth is lined up with the pupils. So I'm going to make it that wide using a drop-down line from the pupils. And then I'm also dropping down lines from the nostrils because that's where I'm noticing the peak of the top lip is. When I draw lips, I like to start with a heart shape, but other people do it different ways. Also noticing that the jaw, it starts to curve towards the chin at this top third line, and it's in line with the part of the lips. So now I can draw the sides of the face. I'm also noticing that the eyes are in the middle of the face, so I'm going to measure the eye to the chin, bring that measurement up, and that's going to be the top of the skull. If your person has a lot of hair, then maybe it's going to be a little bit higher than that. For the ears, the bottom of the ear is lined up with our nose, and the top of the ear is going to be lined up with our eyebrows. The last measurement is the neck, and it's lined up with the outer corner of our eyes. When we understand the proportions of something, it can make it easier to draw, but some rules are meant to be broken, so as an artist, I hope you explore and find your own style.